Hey guys, I wanted to give you this quick overview of something you should be doing today to help organize your database. A lot of agents are spending days trying to figure everything out. Maybe you imported from another system and not everything came over, or you want to start sending those birthdays, homeversary, texts or emails, but you don't have everything and you can't figure out how to sort things or where to even start. So I wanted to go over my top tip for helping you organize your database today. And really, I want you just to for time management. I really want you to just, spend 15 minutes a week, 30 minutes a week, maybe 10 minutes every morning while you're drinking your coffee to go ahead and start organize your database. Rome wasn't built in a day. I just want you to spend a couple minutes a day or a couple minutes a week, time block it, get up a half an hour earlier, whatever, but just to go ahead and start building up that database, organizing it for you. So the first thing you're going to do, get into your kvCORE system. We're going to come right over here to your smart CRM. You can see here, I have, all of the database, but here I have something, I did searches. So these are people that don't have property alerts. Maybe they came in from Bouge and they were searching, but now they don't get anything or whatever it may be. And maybe someone you uploaded that you met, at the kids' cheer practice or whatnot. You want to set them up. Also, no addresses. This is great for the people that you imported that are your past clients, people that you've closed properties on. You can easily pull your report, whether your broker has it or from the MLS, to start adding those addresses so you can do the snail mail, birthday cards, whatever, home anniversary. Those are going to be great. These are people with no campaigns, no market report. You could do no CMA, all of that. So here's what I want you to do to start creating these searches to help you get organized. When you come over here, you go to your smart CRM, you're going to pull everybody in. Go to the filters. This is how you're going to organize yourself, whatever it may be. If you're running ads, maybe you want to show the hashtag of, the squeeze page, landing page, whatever you're creating ads for. The search is my favorite. It's your best friend. It's going to help you really organize your database. So I can come over here. I can come over to contact details. You can see maybe I want everyone with a hashtag, everyone with a contact source. Maybe it's going to be the Boost CRM. So you need to organize, like, who are these people that came over? I don't remember them. It could be anything. Maybe you has a phone, doesn't have a phone, has an email, doesn't have an email. Here you go. Has a birthday, no birthday. If it's birthdays, it's probably going to be your sphere, maybe somebody that you brought in, imported, and labeled as a sphere. So you would go sphere and then come down here, doesn't have a birthday, because this is allowing you what is missing from your sphere that you want. And this is going to almost give you a checklist. And we don't have any sphere in here, so I can't really do that. But there's all these things you could have closed. So maybe I want to do closed and doesn't have an address, has no primary address. So I would probably maybe do both of those, but it allows you to organize your database. Maybe you want to start sending out those CMA, like the CMA a day thing that we do for offices and fun stuff. Maybe I have has no primary address because I want to make sure I can get all of my past clients organized, because I want to start using the CMA tool that you have, the Core Present. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Stay tuned for videos on that. But maybe you want to organize yourself. So you're going to come over here. You're going to apply filters. I mean, there's all sorts of stuff that you can do. Has no market reports, has search alerts, has all that. Lots of things. Really check out the filters and how you can organize this. So once I'm done, I'm going to apply filters. If it's just a shirt, because search that I'm looky-loo, obviously we don't have anything in this. We didn't import. But I want you can save that and it'll apply it. You can apply, and I don't think, because I don't have anyone in there, but let's see what I can do. So let me do active lead and has no phone. So here we go. Let's see, apply filters. Let's see, active lead. Oh, let's do new lead, active lead and new lead that has no phone. And let's apply filters. And let's see what happens. So I can even save those. Usually it pops up for me to, save filters, no phone. And this is where I can pin it to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and save new filter. So now this is going to allow me every morning, maybe while I'm drinking my coffee, I'm going to come over here, has no phone. I'm going to come over here. Maybe I can see these people were created from the landing page that we have on our website. Maybe I can go in and do some investigation or whatnot. But this just gives me like a checklist. Once everybody is full and has a phone number on there, then I can easily come right over here to my filters and you can delete. Or maybe I just don't want to have it up on the top. There's everything. You can organize this however you want. So it's going to allow you to really be able to organize your database. So go inside, go to your CRM, check out the filters, start saving some stuff to really help you get organized. It gives you that checklist. As people have phone numbers, they're going to be removed from this list. It's almost like my daily task checklist just to help organize and fill up my database with all the information of the tools that I want to use so that I can, work smarter, not harder. So go do that today. I hope this helps. Chat soon. Bye.